from Greece, right? Is this your first time in the Philippines? How has the reception been so far?
It has been amazing. Check out with your friends. Have welcome. To my teammates and the whole team, you guys are absolutely amazing. And thank you.
Okay, so how many here in the Philippines? How many days have you been here in the Philippines?
3 weeks now.
3 weeks, okay. I have a very easy question for you. Who's your favorite teammate among the Flying Titans? You can only pick one. And why? And why?
I love them all. But there is one that makes me smile every day.
Alright, lastly, what can we expect from you with your new team here in the Philippines, Zai?
Well, I will give my best. I don't think that one player wins games. I think that teams win games. The team 100%. So, let's win.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright, let's do one last question, no, Anton? I mean, we can do a Q&A and not Gemma. So, Gemma Ganalsa. Easy question, easy question. Our question, there's a message to the Green Line or the Nabisco fans in general. Sobrang lang po nagpapasalamat na pati po kaming lahat ng Nabisco family and ngayon po nagsama-sama tayong lahat para mag-celebrate sa araw na ito. Mag-enjoy tayo ngayong araw na to and sa mga susunod namin games this season po, supportahan niyo po kami. Ayan po. Ang import ng Green Line Bulls Masters si Ella De Erica Swanton that will soon. Thank you so much to our athletes for your generosity and answering our questions. But of course, we have even more questions, no?
Put it up on the big board. Anyway, I'm just gonna say it since it's not there yet. Who is the best singer on? Alright, Chocabucho first.
Ready na ba kayo? We may let's follow the arrow. Hey, Miss Bia.
Bia. Oh, sabi ni Tam, isang linya lang. Let's hear it, let's hear it. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo ang Green Line, who is the... Ang dami. Ang hirap nito, guys. This is so hard. Ate Rose now! Rose! One line lang.
Ang on-sweet naman.
Para ngayon, wala ka pumayag doon. Isang linya. Isa pa, tayo na, Rose, tayo pa. Yung performance level. Sige na, pati. Patay. Oh my God.
May sasagot ka ba?
Gemma, lalap. Okay, time out muna tayo dyan. We got a long night ahead. Let's go to the next one.
joining us right now tonight.